Being here for over 30 years, every year the stream would flood a little bit and the course of the stream would change a little bit and the bank would erode very minimally. But a lot of the native trees that used to be along the creek have died and fallen out, which exposes the creek bed to erosion, and when it floods, it just washes the sand right away. At first we didn't see much damage from the cows, but then it started getting worse. Like you could see definitely where the cows were going up and down the creek bed, it was getting eroded faster and faster. They were definitely damaging the stream bed. There's a couple people that approached us and asked if we'd be interested in it, and when they kind of explained what the whole idea was about, it sounded good. It made sense that they're trying to preserve the riparian area around Bertrand Creek, and like we're all for that. And we do have salmon in the stream, and there's some other native species in the stream. So when they offered to do something to help, I was like, yeah, sure. The primary issue is the erosion of the stream bed. They're looking at some of the different reasons for it to be eroding very quickly. Like the cows in the field were walking right into the creek and along the creek and up and down the bank, and that caused a lot of the erosion. So the idea was, of course, put the fence in to keep the cows out of the creek, and then plant some native species to replace all the ones that have died. They came down and evaluated the creek and pointed out problem areas and then suggested we could do this or that to improve the situation, and we were like, yeah. They financed the fencing and the plantings, which was fabulous. Hopefully the cows don't knock it down, but so far they haven't. You know, they've been in there for a couple of weeks and they are respecting the fence and it's working. It keeps them out of the creek. We have beavers, and that's why she put the little wire cages around some of the plants to keep the beavers away. The big fence is to keep the cows away, and the little fence is to keep the beavers away. And in terms of the planting, hopefully it grows well. They definitely addressed whatever issues they saw here at this property. Like I know they've done some work on some of the other farms downstream, and they addressed their work to their situation. Yeah, they've been really good.